Hi guys, this is Marty Davis, MarineMax, Osage Beach, Missouri. If you guys like this video and want to see other great boat videos from us, please hit subscribe. Today we are looking at a GS20 from Nautique. The boat is white with Masters blue. At the rear of the boat you'll find that it has the NSS. It's an award-winning surf tab system. Our surf pipe, which keeps all of the emissions and exhaust discharge behind your surfer, and you got your configurable running surface down there. Stepping up here onto the platform, pop my shoes off. We've got some aft seating. We have a JL stereo control, nice walkthrough into the boat. Some JL speakers right here, a rear-facing camera, and your bimini top. On the bimini top, it's got surf pockets, which hold your surfboards, and then you've got some wakeboard racks over here on the sides. Let's see here. We've got a ski pylon that pops up and goes back down. Very easy to get in and out of there. In the boat, we've got SeaDeck, lots of cup holders, JL speakers all around. Over here, you've got a touch screen display that helps use the boat systems. You've got a handheld device over here that you can adjust. Cell phone storage. You've got a real nice sporty seat and steering wheel. Open glove box here for your stereo. And moving into the bow, it's nicely acquainted for your family. Again, this is Marty Davis, MarineMax, Osage Beach. If you have any questions, give us a call.